course of the next 60 seconds, I'm going to tell you about a special offer that has just been added to mtdcnc.com, and it's from DTS UK for a Geminis GT5 heavy duty lathe. Now, it's unusual to see a machine of this size actually available and ready for delivery. Will it be ready for delivery at the end of July? And it's at the stage where you can actually specify whether you want a tool post or a turret on this machine, or in fact a Y-axis. These are pretty universal flatbed lathes. Now, if you don't know Geminis, they've been supplying lathes for half a century into many industries. Industries such as the oil and gas industry, the steel industry, energy, rail, wind. These machines are huge, heavy-duty lathes. And this one we're talking about here, this GT5, 3 meters between centers, 1,200 millimeters swing over bed. It can come with either a Fanuc or a Siemens control. We're at that stage where you can choose, and it is available to be delivered by the end of July, as you see here, and the specs that are about to appear on the screen. Available from DTS UK. Be quick to secure this machine, a GT5, on special offer.